Good morning, students. So we were doing chapter number 5, arithmetic progression, that is AP. So we had done 5.2 till 5.2, and the concept was to find nth term of an AP. Now in 5.3, you have to find sum of n terms of an AP. Uh, there are various examples in a real life of to find the sum of an AP. We'll do the sums and you'll get to know how the examples are. And first of all, to find sum of an AP, you have to understand how from where the formula came, right? You don't have to memorize it. You just see how the formula came. How can we find sum of an AP? So first of all, I have already written. I'll just make you understand. If A1, A2, A and B n terms of an AP, you can see A1, A2, A and B n terms of an AP, and A be the first term and D is the common difference. So we have to find sum. What is sum? Sum means addition of these numbers. Sum means addition of this number. So A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to AN. We'll take it this sum as Sn, right? Now what is first term? First term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D. Similarly, nth term is, we know, A plus n minus 1 D. So these are sum of n terms of an AP. We'll write it as equation number 1, right? So this is Sn. Sn is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus n minus 1D. So sum of n terms. Now, if I write in reverse order means if n term A n is the n term, right? If I write in reverse order, so D will be subtracted. What will be the n minus 1 term? Sn A n. Next term will be an minus 1, an minus D. Next term will be an minus 2D. Similarly, up to so on, an minus n minus 1D. This will be the nth term from the reverse order of the AP. I have already written. From here you can see, if I add AP in reverse order, its first term will be an minus D. It will be this will be an plus an minus D, an minus 2D, up to so on, an minus n minus 1D. So this is also sum of the AP, and this is also sum. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. If I add these equations, you can see, if I add these equations, you can see sum is, if I add, this is first equation, this is second equation. If I add this Sn plus Sn, this will be 2Sn. Now A plus An, right? Now minus D and plus D will cancel out. This will be A plus An, right? Similarly, this will also cancel out. This will be also A plus An. So all the sum will cut out. We'll get A plus An, A plus An, A plus An. These are n terms, same term, and these are n number of terms. So this will be n times A plus An, right? For example, if I write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, these are 5 times. I can write it as 5 into 2 because it was 5 times 2, right? So this is A plus An, A plus An, A plus N. This is n times. So I can write it as n times A plus An, right? 2 will be divided. This will be Sn equals to n by 2 A plus An. So we have this result. Sn equal to n by 2 A plus An. I can rewrite this result as, which is called standard result. If I write, now what is A n? This is n by 2 A plus, what is An? An is A plus n minus 1 D, right? N by 2. What is A plus A? A plus A is 2A plus n minus 1 D. This will be the sum of first n terms of an AP. This is a formula. So understood how the formula came. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1D. So in the question, you will be given an AP, right? And you will be given number of terms or a condition to find number of terms. First we will find number of terms, then we will find sum of the AP. In your exercise 5.3, there are numerous of questions which we will solve. I'll send you the notes also. I have already sent you some notes. Method is very simple to find sum of n terms of an AP. What if I write first sum of 5.3? First sum is to find sum of AP is given. This is first part of first sum. AP is given 2, 7, 12 up to so on 10 terms. I have to find sum of 10 terms of this AP. AP is this, right? So this is AP. What is this? This will be first term. First term. So A is 2, right? Now what is common difference? We know how to find common difference. Second term minus first term. This will be 7 minus 2. And this will be 5. So we have A is 2, D is 5, and n terms. We have to find sum of n terms, means this is 10, so n is 10. We have to find sum of 10 terms, so n is 10. What is formula of Sn? This is already written. Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So S10. S10 means sum of first 10 terms is equals to n by 2. So 10 by 2, n is 10 into 2a. 2a plus 10 minus 1, what is d? D is 5. Right? Same formula is applied. This is 5. 2 into 2, this is 4 plus 10 minus 9. So 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into 5, 45. 5 into 49, this will be 245. So sum of first 10 terms is 245. This is how we find sum of n terms of an AP. So there are various questions in 5.3. I've already sent you the note. If any problem you have, you can ask me. So questions are very simple, and in board exam, a question of 5 or 4 marks will surely come from this exercise. So we don't have to leave any questions. We have to solve all the questions, and we have to revise all the questions. I'll send you the notes. If any problem you have, you can ask me. Thank you.